to make or edit your Twitch panels. In this video I am gonna show you how you can edit or add or make Twitch panels. First of all, you can add the panel from here. Then if you wanna put a link in the panel, you can put it here, and you can put anything in the description here. Also, you can add image in the panel from here. If you put a link in the panel, it will be like this. If you don't put a link, it will be like this one. When you click on the panel with the link, it will take you to the link you have submitted. The most important part is to click on submit. If you don't click on submit, everything will disappear. So you click on submit before you click on edit panels. Hope you guys like the video, and if it was helpful, hope you guys subscribe the channel and follow me on Twitch.